Kia ora, Arno. The value of assets owned by Māori has more than doubled in 6 years to $126 billion. That's just one finding in a report on the Māori economy amid plans to boost the economic contribution of Māori even further. Māori Affairs correspondent Tuhi Stationery has more.
The sweet sound of economic success. The late Māori king opening a 5-star luxury hotel at Auckland Airport 2 years ago, another major asset in Waikato Tainui's $2 billion empire.
We are the sleeping giant of this economy.
In 2018, Māori-owned assets were worth $69 billion. By 2023, that was up to $126 billion. Assets owned by collectives, the likes of trusts and post-settlement organisations, account for nearly a third of that.
And our people have been able to break the shackles of dependency on the Crown.
The Māori contribution to New Zealand's economy also increasing by $15 billion over the same period.
Why? Young growing population and a growing skilled workforce.
The latest insights, partially based on 2023 census data, show the kind of jobs they're interested in has changed too.
The Māori economy is transforming beyond just agriculture, forestry and fishing.
Professional, scientific and technical services now the biggest sector behind their contribution to the nation's GDP. Think lawyers, IT workers and engineers.
Because it takes a wide variety and diverse variety of cowboys and cowgirls in order to get this rodeo on the road.
With property being the largest asset type owned by the country's two wealthiest iwi, Waikato and Ngaitahu.
Much of our settlement was property, and so we've had to work with what we got.
Smaller Māori businesses are also thriving.
So children's resources?
Tuhi Stationery among the nearly 5,000 Māori-owned businesses to emerge since 2018. There are 24,000 in operation today.
First ordering, boxes of product, to then ordering pallets of product, to then containers of product, and now we're in a distribution warehouse.
These bilingual resources so popular, she's partnered with Office Max to help sell and distribute 2025 planners.
There's not as many barriers as there used to be to Māori actually establishing businesses, especially if you're in e-commerce or online. You can literally set up a business within a week under $1,000 and you can be operating.
But it's only going to get better, and we have to get better.
The Māori economy, a major force that's only getting stronger. Te Aniwa Huri Hanganui, One News.